It's gone.
Hello, this is chapter 1 of How to Grill a Perfect Steak by Riccardo Milano. Olive oil, Tabasco, Worcestershire, nature seasoning, garlic powder, any type of rub is nice, ground black pepper, and sea salt. I've already put in everything on except the little sea salt. You got really salty steaks. Let it sit for a second.
Now this is after it's already sat for 20 or 30 minutes, I think.
Well, I like to sit mine for at least an hour.
Okay. Yeah, I wrote in the thing that you need to let it rest on the counter first. So
Olive oil, go ahead.
Okay, go ahead.
A little Tabasco, Worcestershire, cover those before I spill them. Now if I was grilling this outside, I would have put a lot more oil in it so that the flame would have really sealed in the juices. But since I'm doing it inside because it's raining, so a little
seasoning salt.
Watch these things. For some reason, these come out real fast.
That's the garlic powder.
Yeah, but you need a nice little flavor there. Nice little rub. Crack.
Black pepper.
Lots of pepper.
That's a sea salt.
That's all done now. I really
Pat it in.
Wow, this is a huge steak. This is a ribeye.
Yeah, it's an inch thick. I measured it.
Yeah, so you know, if you and Maria don't like the same type of cooking, like we don't, I like mine very rare. Nancy likes it medium rare, so I'll cut this. So let me go wash up. Pause.
Oh, pause.